In this video, I'm going to tell you why I created a very long blog post called The Ultimate Guide to Menopause and how you can get the most out of this article. So stick around. Hi, I'm Dana, an acupuncturist herbalist and the founder of Menopause Basics. And in this video, I'm just going to tell you why I created this ultimate guide to menopause. Here's why. I get questions all the time. Women contact me and they say, hey Dana, I'm in menopause and now all of a sudden I'm having so much trouble sleeping. How can I get more sleep? And I know that in their mind, this is what they're seeing as the question and potential answer that they just asked me. But when they ask me that question, here's what I see in my mind. And here's why what I see is so much more complicated. Because I have a Chinese medicine background, every time someone comes to me with a problem like this, I see a two-part answer. The first part of the solution is to give them something they can use to manage the symptom. They're having trouble sleeping. That's their problem. That's their symptom. I want to give them some tools they can use for symptom management that will help them get more sleep right away. It could be a sleep aid like melatonin or magnesium. It could be good sleep habits like making sure their bedroom is dark enough, turning off the computer long enough before bedtime, all those types of things. But there's something else that's really important, and that's to figure out what is the underlying cause of this symptom and fix that. Because if we can fix that, the symptom will go away and you're not going to be stuck doing symptom management for the rest of your life. Well, if this symptom got worse or started during your menopausal transition or even after your menopausal transition, there's a good chance that part of that underlying cause is hormonal imbalance. So this woman needs to balance her hormones top to bottom, all her hormones, to get relief from that one symptom. Now, of course, this means you're going to get a lot of other health benefits as well, which is great, but it comes down to, yes, symptom management, but also hormonal balancing. Now, hormonal balancing is a process. It's not one little thing you can do. And that's why I created this ultimate guide, because in this guide, what I do is I demystify menopause, what's happening in your body during menopause, what are the symptoms of the different stages of the menopausal transition. And then I go through my 3-part plan for creating hormonal balance in your body. The first part is all about diet. The second part is all about lifestyle. And the third part is all about supplements, herbs, and even hormones, because each of these is really important. And I go through step by step through each phase so that you can just go through and say, well, I'm already doing that. I'm already doing that. I'm already doing that. Oh my God, I completely missed this one. And when you see one that you missed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the basics of how to do it right there. And I'm also going to link to other blog videos that I've done that go into that particular step in great detail. So you can go through this thing and find all the places where there's something that you're missing in your 3-part plan for balancing your hormones, and you can fill in the gaps. Plus, I'm going to hopefully answer all your questions. I answer all the questions that I get all the time. And yes, I also have lots of strategies in there for symptom management at each phase. So it's going to help you address the symptom and address the underlying cause. It's going to improve your health across the board. And it's going to give you this big picture understanding of what menopause is and what you can do to stay feeling great and healthy all during menopause and after menopause. And of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'd love to answer them for you. You can reach me in the comments below the blog article or in my Facebook group, Menopause Basics, or you can contact me through my website, Dana Lavoie, LAC. Again, I'm Dana Lavoie. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist and the founder of Menopause Basics. I really hope that you enjoy the Ultimate Guide to Menopause. I hope that you come away from it and that if you had been feeling confused or scared or frustrated about menopause, now all of a sudden you feel clarity and confidence that you understand what's going on or what's going to happen and what you can do to make sure that you feel great all during and after it. So enjoy the article. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye for now.